Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my last set of Valentine nails. This one is more colorful and I do attempt to do some 3D sweethearts. For the base of the design, I decided to use a jelly pink and a hint of glitter. I didn't want a background color that would take away from the design, but I didn't want to go for a complete nude, so I felt like this was a happy medium. For the hearts on my pinky, middle finger, and thumb, I chose 7 pastel colors. I wanted to do something colorful, but I still wanted it to be subtle and sweet since I was planning on doing the sweethearts. I use the same 3-dot method for the hearts that I have used in my last 2 Valentine videos, and I also use a small liner brush to round out the hearts and kind of clean them up a little bit more. I repeat that process for all 3 of the nails, the pinky, the middle finger, and the thumb. I do go over each of the hearts a second time just to make sure I get the color payoff that I was wanting. Now for my index and ring finger, I wanted to attempt to do 3D looking sweethearts, and my hands were a little shaky when drawing the outlines, so you do see me go back and kind of retouch the hearts to clean up everything. Now I do go in and try to write little messages on the sweethearts the way the sweetheart candies actually are, but let me tell you, writing something that small can be pretty difficult. Now once the hearts are all drawn on, I do go in and top everything off with a top coat and of course cure everything under the light. As always, I'm finishing everything off with my cuticle oil. This is a step that I never miss. And here's the final look at the SweetHeart Valentine's nail design. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.